Welcome back to AutoXperience, the place where the future of classic cars comes to life. Today, we're diving into a masterpiece that blends 1950s nostalgia with cutting-edge innovation. Meet the 2025 Ford Customerline, a reborn icon that takes everything you loved about the original 1952 model and reimagines it for the modern age. Buckle up, because this isn't just a car, it's a legacy brought into the future. The first thing that grabs your attention is the design. Ford has stayed true to the vintage DNA, the long hood, rounded fenders, and signature front grille, but given it a futuristic twist. The body is sculpted in lightweight carbon aluminum composite, finished in deep pearl maroon with nanoceramic coating for a rich, mirror-like shine. The 20-inch retro-styled alloy wheels are wrapped in smart adaptive tires that auto-adjust pressure based on terrain and speed. From any angle, front, side, or rear, it screams heritage, yet feels like tomorrow. Under the hood, Ford has left no room for compromise. The 2025 Customerline runs on a 3.0 all-twin-turbo V6 hybrid powertrain, delivering 445 horsepower and a blistering 0 to 60 in just 4.6 seconds. But it's not just about speed, it's about precision. You get a 10-speed adaptive transmission, regenerative braking, and selectable drive modes including Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Classic. And yes, the Classic mode simulates the original 1950s engine sound, just for the pure joy of nostalgia. Step inside, and it's a blend of old-school charm and next-gen tech. The cabin is wrapped in hand-stitched maroon leather, inspired by the original color palette, polished wood trims, aluminum detailing, and a digital instrument cluster designed to mimic vintage analog dials. It's retro in spirit, but futuristic in function. The 14.5-inch curved infotainment screen supports Ford Sync AI 2.0 with full voice command, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. There's even a dedicated memory mode that lets you choose cabin themes like 1952 original, adjusting lighting, display fonts, and even scent diffusers. Comfort is another game-changer here. You get climate-controlled zero-gravity seats with 18-way adjustability, haptic massage, and biometric posture support. The rear seats aren't just an afterthought, they're heated, ventilated, and reclinable, with ambient lighting flowing seamlessly across the cabin edges. This car is built for long rides, and you'll feel that in every second behind the wheel. Now, let's talk about the tech that makes this vehicle a futuristic dream. The Customerline comes equipped with Ford's Level 3 autonomous drive system, hands-off cruising, intelligent lane change, real-time traffic AI, and city parking assist with a 360-degree sensor array. Safety is handled by a full ADAS suite, including collision anticipation, predictive pedestrian alerts, and smart cross-traffic navigation. It even has a drone follow feature. Yes, you heard that right, a foldable Ford-branded drone in the trunk that can follow the car and live-stream your journey. As for connectivity, the 5 integration keeps your vehicle always online. Whether you want to stream game or attend a Zoom meeting from your car, the Customerline is ready. The 18-speaker Bang & Olufsen 3D spatial audio system gives you a concert-level soundstage wherever you sit. And if you're a collector or enthusiast, the digital dashboard includes the Legacy mode, which shows historical data and specs of the 1952 original side-by-side with your current drive metrics. Ford is only producing a limited run of 8,000 units globally, each with a serialized digital certificate embedded in the chassis via blockchain, making it a true collector's edition. The 2025 Customerline isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's for those who appreciate history, but don't live in the past. It's for the bold, the nostalgic, and the visionary. Whether you grew up with the original or are discovering this icon for the first time, this car will make you feel something rare, connected not just to the road, but to time itself. So, would you drive the future of the past? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and more legendary revivals are coming soon right here on AutoXperience.